The DID 520DZ-120 Gold Chain delivers dependable performance for motocross and trail riders who want a serious upgrade without overspending. Its non-sealed design keeps friction low and response sharp, which is especially noticeable under hard acceleration and aggressive shifting. The chain is engineered to cope with demanding motocross conditions, using surface hardening technology to resist wear from grit and repeated high-impact landings. It is rated for use on many all-terrain vehicles and motorcycles up to 450 cubic centimeters, with a tensile strength of 7,870 pounds that inspires confidence under load. The combination of gold outer plates and black inner links not only looks premium, but also makes it easy to spot wear and lubrication issues during maintenance. A clip-style master link is included, making installation and trackside adjustments straightforward, even for riders who prefer to handle their own drivetrain work.